Hello students, this is DSE 2019 solution part 7 and consider a small economy we have and there are positive productivity shock in the country. How will the domestic capital market be affected? So if there is a positive productivity shock, so obviously the productivity increases at the same way, there is no labor wage hike, so as a result of that productivity goes high, and the best thing is, so the capital inflow increases and the net capital inflow will be higher. Okay, so this case, so the option is missing here. Net capital, actually it is taken from the direct paper, is higher. So while doing it, it was and this is the option IDs. Okay, so this is the answer. So net capital inflow will be higher. Now we can see two functions here. Fx is providing you 0 and this f of x function 0 of x. Okay, so h of x equal to minus x and plus x if x is rational, if x is irrational. So it is easy to check that the function is actually a bijective structure, that is, for each y belongs to R there is a 1-to-1 structure for x such that hx equal to y, so it's a direct bijective and not anything else, so the option number C is correct.